Welcome to InvestoSphere, the channel where strategy meets opportunity and financial freedom becomes a reality. In today's digital economy, artificial intelligence is reshaping how we work, earn, and grow. One of the most groundbreaking tools leading this revolution is ChatGPT. But here's the truth. Most people don't know how to turn this powerful AI into a steady income source. In this video, we're going to fix that. This is your complete, deeply detailed guide to making real money with ChatGPT, whether you're a total beginner or already working online. From freelancing and blogging to building a business or scaling your productivity, we'll cover every proven strategy and share exactly how to apply them step by step. No hype, just powerful, practical tools to turn AI into income. Let's dive in. Number 1, deep dive into ChatGPT and its capabilities. Before we make money with ChatGPT, we need to truly understand it. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. It uses deep learning to understand language, generate content, and assist in problem solving. What makes ChatGPT powerful is its versatility. It can generate original articles, blog posts, product descriptions, and more. Help create advertising copy, landing pages, and email sequences. Offer coding support, fix bugs, and explain programming concepts. Summarize books, analyze documents, and extract insights. Roleplay as customers for training support teams. Generate outlines, titles, and thumbnails for videos and courses. Mastering prompt engineering, the art of giving ChatGPT clear, specific instructions, allows you to control output quality. A strong prompt can produce near-publishable results. Weak prompts lead to vague or irrelevant content. Practice, test, and refine. Pro tip: use this formula to structure effective prompts. Act as role. Right format, on topic, with tone for audience. Number 2, who can benefit from ChatGPT? One of ChatGPT's greatest strengths is accessibility. It's for everyone, whether you're tech-savvy or not. This tool can save time, boost creativity, and open doors. Here's who can benefit. Students, for research, summarizing, and note-taking. Freelancers, for faster content creation and scaling services. Teachers, for planning lessons and writing educational content. Bloggers and writers, for consistent content production. Entrepreneurs, for business ideas, content, and emails. Job seekers, for resume writing, cover letters, and interview prep. Side hustlers, for creating digital products quickly. Marketers, for copywriting, email marketing, and branding. Whether you're starting from scratch or optimizing an existing side hustle, ChatGPT is your productivity partner. Number 3, 15 powerful ways to earn with ChatGPT. Let's break down how you can turn ChatGPT into a powerful income-generating machine. 1, freelance content writing. Use ChatGPT to generate drafts, outlines, and entire articles. Combine its speed with your personal editing touch. Steps: create profiles on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Offer blog writing, article rewriting, and technical writing. Use ChatGPT to quickly produce content tailored to client specs. Add human editing to refine tone and flow. Deliver polished work in record time. 2, blogging with monetization. Blogging remains one of the best passive income models. Steps: choose a niche, finance, tech, parenting, travel, etc. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm blog ideas and write drafts. Optimize with AI-generated meta titles, descriptions, and SEO keywords. Monetize through affiliate links, AdSense, or sponsorships. Promote posts using ChatGPT-generated social captions. 3, YouTube script writing and channel growth. Even if you're not on camera, you can earn from YouTube. Steps: use ChatGPT to write full video scripts, educational, reviews, stories. Create faceless videos using AI voices and stock footage. Monetize with ads and affiliate links. Offer script writing as a service to other YouTubers. 4, ebook creation and self-publishing. Digital books can generate long-term royalties. Steps: choose a niche, personal finance, self-help, cooking, etc. Ask ChatGPT to generate chapter outlines and content. Format using tools like Canva or Vellum. Publish on Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or Payip. Promote with AI-generated marketing copy. 5, prompt engineering as a product. Prompts are valuable. Sell them. Steps: build niche-specific prompt packs, e.g. for writers, marketers, teachers. Package them in PDFs or Notion docs. Sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Promote via Twitter and Reddit communities. 6, email marketing services. Businesses need consistent emails that convert. Steps: offer to write newsletters, cold emails, welcome series. Use ChatGPT to draft them based on the business type. Charge monthly retainer fees. Add upsells. Subject, line, A/B testing, segmentation strategies. 7, resume and cover letter services. Job seekers are always looking for help. Steps: offer resume writing, LinkedIn profile optimization. Use ChatGPT to tailor content for industries. Offer packages, resume plus cover letter plus LinkedIn. Market on job boards and Facebook groups. 8, create and sell online courses. Educational content is in demand. Steps: Use ChatGPT to research and structure the curriculum. Record videos or sell text-based courses. Host on Teachable, Gumroad, or Udemy. Promote using AI-written landing pages and sales emails. 9. Product descriptions for e-commerce. Stores need compelling copy. Steps. Offer product copywriting services to Shopify and Etsy sellers. Use ChatGPT to write unique, SEO-friendly descriptions. Create batch packages for large stores. 10. Translation and localization services. If you're bilingual, amplify it with AI. Steps. Use ChatGPT for fast translation and polish the results manually. Offer localized content services for websites and YouTubers. 11. Lead generation scripts. Sales professionals use outreach scripts. Steps. Use ChatGPT to craft cold email sequences. Offer LinkedIn message writing. Create niche-specific lead gen templates. 12. Idea generation for startups. Entrepreneurs pay for clarity. Steps. Use ChatGPT to create business ideas, branding concepts, and names. Offer idea validation, pitch decks, and elevator pitch writing. 13. Virtual assistant services powered by AI. Become a smarter VA. Steps. Use ChatGPT for scheduling emails, writing replies, and research. Offer services to executives and entrepreneurs. 14. SEO optimization services. Combine ChatGPT with SEO tools. Steps. Use tools like Ubersuggest or Refs for keyword research. Ask ChatGPT to optimize titles, meta descriptions, and headings. 15. Newsletter creation and curation. Start or manage newsletters. Steps. Use ChatGPT to summarize articles and news. Monetize with paid subscriptions and sponsor placements. Number 4. Turning ChatGPT into a scalable business model. To move beyond freelance gigs and toward consistent income, treat your ChatGPT usage as part of a full business model. Steps. Choose a business model, content agency, digital products, affiliate site. Create a brand identity, name, logo, website. Set up service offers or product funnels. Automate repetitive tasks using ChatGPT. Build authority through content and email lists. Add income streams, coaching, courses, memberships. Number 5. Legal, ethical, and quality considerations. Always review and human edit AI-generated content. Use plagiarism checkers. Follow content and platform guidelines. Amazon, Google, Fiverr. Be transparent about AI usage when needed. Never rely 100% on automation for sensitive content. Real success stories. 1. A college student used ChatGPT to build a Fiverr business offering blog posts. Within 3 months, they crossed $3,000 a month. 2. A fitness coach created and sold a 60-page AI-assisted meal planning ebook. It now earns passive income on Gumroad. 3. A remote team used ChatGPT to automate client email responses, cutting customer service time in half. Mindset and long-term strategy. Keep experimenting with new use cases. Learn prompt engineering and adapt to updates. Use AI to amplify your human creativity, not replace it. Build long-term assets. Mailing list, blog, course library. Consistency beats intensity. Keep publishing, iterating, testing. If you've stayed with us through this in-depth guide, you're not just curious, you're ready to take action. The world is changing fast, and AI is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. ChatGPT is not a replacement for you. It's your assistant, your co-pilot, your accelerator. Whether you use it to write faster, sell smarter, or think bigger, the time to start is now. Here's what I want to ask you. What's holding you back from building your AI-powered income stream? Will you wait and watch, or will you start and grow? Let me know in the comments below. And before you go, please like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to InvestoSphere for more real-world money strategies, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Let's build wealth the smart way, the AI way. See you in the next one.